Welcome to our series of videos jumping into the Places section in Plottr. And in this video, we're going to take a look at custom attributes for places. Custom attributes are simply any characteristics or information you'd like to keep track of for all of your locations. You can find the custom attributes here in the Places toolbar under the Attributes button. And for the three little pigs, you can see we already have three attributes set up: owner, whether the location blows away, and what it symbolizes. And if we look at one of our location cards, we can see those attributes listed: owner, blows away, and what it symbolizes. And if we click into the details of the place, we can edit any of that information. So you can change the owner, whether it blows away, and what it symbolizes. And now if we want to create a new custom attribute, we can do that with the Attributes button in the toolbar, and we can simply add an attribute. So let's add a new attribute for location. And you can see it's added to our list, and when we close, it's now also located on the Places card. So if we click into the details, we can add a location. So we can say northeast corner of the woods. And then click Save. And now you can see the location displayed for the brick house. Now if we return to the details, we can see that the attributes are just simple input boxes. They don't have any of the rich text features like the Notes section. But we can change that by returning to the Attributes menu, and we can toggle the Paragraph button. So here, now that we've checked it, we can return to the brick house, and you can see location now has the option for rich text formatting. And then we can always undo that by returning to the attributes and toggling off the paragraph option. We can also delete the attribute entirely by returning to the Attributes menu and clicking the X next to that attribute. So if we do that and delete, you can see when we return to the brick house, it no longer has location as an attribute. We can also recover attributes that we've deleted. So for instance, if I would like to track the location again, I can return to Attributes, and as long as I add the attribute exactly the same way, it will recover all the input fields. So location, and now when we return to the brick house, you can see it remembered the location that I put in last time, northeast corner of the woods. With these custom attributes set up, we can now go to the filtering menu and filter by any of these attributes. So we can see owner, blows away, symbolizes, and now location. One important note when filtering with custom attributes is that the paragraph selection must be toggled off in order for it to show in the filter menu. And we'll cover filtering more in a future video. And that covers custom attributes in the Places section. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below and give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for all our latest videos and updates. And I'll see you in the next video.